Hello, uh, today we're gonna do a tutorial of Carr. This is the page of the last time that we did it when you do the countdown. Today we're gonna talk about forms. Um, yes, you can use the embedded, no, not the embedded, sorry, widget. Let me put a tag form here, but I'm gonna tell you about other way that you can create a form with a create already form option. You have three options within the form. The contact, the most common name, email, message. Here you can put the email to whom it's forward, and if not, if you don't put nothing, it goes for the owner of this website. You can filter messages. This is the message on completion. You also can direct to a URL, autofocus form. That is, I can show you that automatically focus on the form as soon as the site loads. It's actually pretty nice. So let's click done, publish. And it goes right to the form. If you realize the form is not even, it's up down. So other way that you input, it's the sign up. It has many options already written. MailChimp might be one of the most known. I use it before with Review. Actually, Review doesn't work. I use Substack, that is not included here, but there's plenty options. There's Behave also on ConvertKit. Then you just put API key and audience ID, and you can automatically it receives it forwards the signups to your account where you have the, for example, the newsletter. The last one is the custom. Custom, you can choose email. You can send right away to another website. You can send to Airtable if you have Airtable to make Zapier. You can even run code with it, and also it has the same on success and on failure to put the message and on autofocus. So if you're thinking of creating a form, a small form, that's also a way to do it. And if you don't need to create the accounting type form, for example, if it's nothing more complicated, this is a really good option that you can do it to create in your landing page. See you next time. Bye.